Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out and
hello there. So we are in Koala Park. So yeah, we are going to look around and then we will be going somewhere else. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day and I'm going to post lots of pictures on Instagram so you all can see. Social media links are below in the description box if you want to check it out. And hi Isha.
in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
Oh my god.
How's it supposed to feel?
Yes.
How was the koala?
Koala was
Very
really
good,
cute.
very good koala.
There was this one koala. I don't know if she filmed it or not, but there was one koala that tried to climb down the thingy.
Yeah, she did.
And
she
it
did.
started pissing. This Coke is tasty.
It's zero sugar.
No, it's not.
I'm
That's
having
sugar.
this espresso barista iced coffee. What are you having?
I'm having a double espresso.
Double espresso.
Espresso.
And yeah, so where we are going now?
We're going to David Flay Park in Ballyhoods.
Can I drink this?
Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay, we are here.
too hot.
Yeah, it's too hot.
Let's go and explore.
It's a long walk.
Okay, who can put this?
Okay, welcome to this park.
Oh, look at me, my picture there.
This is the map. Look at all this. I'll try. You see that? You see that? They're holding hands. How cute. How do they breathe on the water?
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing.
Okay, after a long walk, we can see at least something there. What are they? They're just some birds. Yeah, lots of crabs. Go find some. Yeah, none. Hi, kitties.
Hi. Hi. What the hell?
Hello. Okay, and you can find some food here.
Rotting mangroves leaves create inlet using rich silk, the start of the food chain.
What's that? Huh?
Put my sunglasses away. It'd be annoying.
You're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Ah! Derek.
Okay, the gate is closed and we're not allowed here and we are stuck here. Which way to go? Which way to go? Those ladies were right. They didn't come.
Yeah, those ladies were right. Okay, so we'll start. This Coke is from Coles Express. That doesn't count, but shh. These sunglasses are from City Beach. This shirt is from
Where did Edwin go?
City Beach.
City Beach. These shorts are from City Beach. Not City Beach, Shein. These shoes are from City Beach. The socks are from Kmart. Oh, and this necklace is also from City Beach.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. Okay. This apple. This Walls Bishop Leviso. Okay. Yeah. This is also Wallace Bishop.
This stand.
Oh,
Yeah,
this.
beautiful.
Then this is from H&M. This is Shein. It's Mom's. This is Kmart. The socks are also Kmart.
Yeah.
And this is Strand bags.
Yes, beautiful outfit of the day.
What I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Okay, so we are back home and we didn't go to see like the animals at David Flea Park. There was not much time, so we thought we might come some other time. Just cause today is Easter Monday, so it closes a bit early, and we were late, and yeah, we went to see the koalas, so we were a bit late, and we left home like really late too. So it's in the afternoon, and like we had only I think 1 hour, so we thought no, we might not see everything, so we will go some other time, and I'm going to show you all around that place. Yeah, today is last day of kids holiday, and kids will be back to school from tomorrow. So yeah, I didn't even do my outfit of the day today, but I will be posting pictures on Instagram and also videos on TikTok, so do have a look there. So yeah, this was our day. Thanks so much for watching. Why are you making me laugh? Huh? So yeah, I'm not making lots of blogs these days, but I will be. Okay, I will make some. Okay, because I don't even have much time. Okay, I'll be very busy from tomorrow, and yeah, we did a lot of walking today, and my hubby said that like, let's go this way, and it was a wrong way, and the gates were closed. We had to walk all the way back, and we went the other way out, like literally. My legs were tired. Like literally, I've been walking out since 5 days, and today is the 6th day, and it's my rest day. But I had to walk that long. So yeah, this was our day, and we all enjoyed it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.